Right here we have a 1/18 scale 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. Didn't look at see what we got here. Super Sport. Making sure I know there's like a LS, RS, SS, and everything else. Anyway, 2010 Camaro. Beautiful blue. Love this color blue. A lot of companies use it, but anyway, really neat blue. This is 18th scale again. It's a Maisto model, just to make sure. Maisto. Again, really cool model. Love the paint color on it. Interior, didn't do anything with the interior. Just left the lid alone. This was just basic headlight, tail light, fog light, front park lights on this one. The hood opens. Both doors open, as well as the trunk, which is where the battery is. Nope, no battery. Maybe the battery's up here. So anyway, when you need to change this battery, I drilled a small hole right here to the side. Just stick a screwdriver or something in there and pop this up. This will come out, and then the battery is located underneath all of that. The steering and everything still works on the car with the steering wheel. Since you won't have to change the battery that often, it's not that big a deal here, but when you put this back in, it can take a little bit of a practice maybe to get it in there, but it will snap back in place. Shut the hood, everything's back to normal. So holds battery in there well, doesn't take up any trunk space, because as we know, they don't have a lot of trunk room to start with. Let's shut the door, shut everything up. Power switch is right here between the two rear mufflers. I don't know why I said rear, but anyway, the mufflers. Turn this on. Again, fairly basic. No police lighting on this one. You got front parking lights, headlights, the fog lights there at the bottom, auxiliary driving lights, and then, of course, tail lights across the rear. So, turned out pretty good. Like I said, it looks really nice. Like I said, the color is just awesome. So, really happy with the color. So, but I appreciate it, and I'll get this shipped back out because we're already settled up. I'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow. Priority mail should have it Wednesday, Thursday, I would think. Thanks again, man. I appreciate it.